Good morning, stamping friends. Oh, I'm so happy to have you join me today. My name is Lorri Heiling, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am so excited to share with you today. I just got back from New Orleans where we had a leadership conference for Stampin' Up! And oh, my heart is full. I am just so excited to just continue forward with my business and have maybe some new things up my sleeve. And I don't know, there's just something about being together in person after all these years. My cup overfloweth. I am really excited to share with you some things that I brought back from New Orleans and just share kind of a little bit of what we experienced. And so let's get started right away, and let me turn my camera around and then I will share with you. Well, the first thing I want to share with you is the cute little bag that we got as soon as we walked in the door and got our self-registered. And I think I'm going to have to show it this way. This is I don't know what this is. It's kind of like a really thick pressed felt, but it's super sturdy. And they had a cute little tag here, and it just talks about Backstage, and that's the name of this conference that I went to. This conference is for leaders in Stampin' Up! You have to be a certain title to go, and it's just a little perk to talk about different business ideas and hear keynote speakers and just kind of get us motivated for the upcoming new Stampin' Up! Year. We love logo anything, and you know what's nice about this bag is that everything fit in here that we needed. We love the fact that you can take these out, and if you want to remove them, you can. And then if you want the little dividers, we also did some swapping, so it was kind of nice to have dividers here so we could separate everything and try to stay organized. But it's just an adorable little bag, so I wanted to start with that. All right, now here's some of the things that we got in the bag. First of all, we always get a name tag, and that just tells my title, which is Gold Elite. And then they had a ton of these New Orleans beads everywhere we went for decoration. So that was kind of our lanyard here. So that was cute. I'm just going to put all these things back in the bag so I stay organized here. Also inside we had this cute little bag. It's, I don't know, just a little tote with a zipper, and inside it was filled with more beads, and we all know what those beads mean in New Orleans. We joked about that all weekend, but it says New Orleans is always a good idea. So that was cute, and just, I don't know, it's like a little makeup bag or whatever you want to use it for, but just fun. And then also, because it's the dead heat of summer and it's super humid there, we all got this cute little fan. You can see that I obviously didn't need it. I'm always on the cold side, but I didn't even take the little thing out because I knew I wouldn't need this. But it's a cute little fan that you can hold. And of course, again, it has a Stampin' Up! Label, so a lot of people were using this. But isn't that a great idea? I don't know why. I am cold all the time. All right, we also got these little notebooks. This one is just a blank notebook, and I thought this was cute. It's just kind of like a bookmark, I guess, if you're a reader, and then it holds a pen, again, Stampin' Up! Logo, and just really a cute thing. And this is what we could take all our notes in from the weekend. And then also we got this kind of the agenda and where we would go for our breakout classes, and the keynote speakers were in here. I took so many notes and lots of ideas, so I'm really excited to share all this with you guys. Let's see what else is in my little goodie bag. Let me grab, I think I'm on to the treat type stuff that we got. So let me start with my swaps, I think. Let me grab these. All right, so what we do when we get together is we swap. I made, I don't know, maybe 25 cards. And the only criteria is that it's current product, and we just swap amongst each other, and this is how we get a lot of ideas. In fact, swapping is something that I do with my team every month, and so we get many ideas much the same way. Our number isn't 25, it's usually around a dozen or so, and it's a voluntary thing. So that's a little perk for joining my team, and I'll tell you even more about that because there's a great special going on, but only for let's see, today's Tuesday, one more day, today and tomorrow, and you'll get a bonus for signing up. But like I said, hang with me till the end and I'll share with you what that is. All right, let's talk about the swaps here. This is a luggage tag, and I'm not going to go through and say who they're all from because actually not all of them have the names on it, but isn't this cute? Isn't this sweet? Life is sweet. So it's a little luggage tag, and then there's some little fruit chews on the back, so that was cute. Then I also got this one. I will name drop this one. This is from one of my team members, Chris Brower. I had two team members that joined me this weekend, and Chris was one of them. Isn't this cute? The little gnome with the umbrella. This is actually from the Hippo set, and she actually used sandpaper on the bottom back here. And then, so that was really cute. Just a different way to use our holiday gnomes. And this one has a cute little, this is kind of a trend now. You rip away that layer and then roll it back. So I thought that was cute. And here's another floral, very pretty. Here's a Halloween. By the way, these are in no certain order at all. And this one's really cute too. And you can see the leaf embossing folder. I probably should have taken them out of the bag, but oh man, after being gone a long weekend, then it's scrambled to catch up, so I did not have time to do that. This is another one of my teammates, Jean Piersante, who earned this, and she made this really pretty little collage background using stamps with a floral set. Isn't that cute? I love the colors. And then this one, this is some of our current DSP. Here's a little, whoops, upside down. Very cute. That's a good way to use up your scraps. And this one's really pretty with the red and black. That's always a good color combo. Thanks for your kindness. And another cherry one. Isn't that cute? Here's a Christmas one. Very pretty. This DSP is gorgeous. Now this one is celebration paper. So this paper is only free today and tomorrow. So if you want to get in on the last of the celebration, you'll want to do that before tomorrow, because for every $50 you spend, you can pick out a free item. And this is one of the beautiful papers. It's called Ring. What is that one called? Let me grab my celebration. You'd think I know. I have quite a few packs of these. Rings of Love is it? That was close. All right, another cherry one here. Very cute. I love red and black together. And then here's a really pretty Christmas set. Isn't that just a really nice stamp there? It stamps so crisp. This one is the candy cane one, and this is a really cool die. That is a die that makes that stripe like that. Isn't that neat? Very cute. And let's see what else. Here's a little fall one with the pumpkins. That's really cute. And then here's a nice Christmas one with the snowflakes. Very nice color combo. And then here's another one for Christmas. That looks like it might be a fun fold. I might have to open this one, Michelle Haney. Let's see what this one does. I just have a feeling it might be a fun fold. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at it. It's like a little band here. Isn't that neat? I like that. That was worth opening. All right, and then here's another cute little snowflake one using those vellum snowflakes that we have. Very pretty. And now we're getting into some of the treats. This is a little sucker with our little gift card holder die, and then she even punched a little hole in the back so that the sucker stick can go through there. So I thought that was a cute idea. And then this one is from my up line. I remember Janice. Oh, Lisa Lang. Oh, I thought it was from Janice, but this is actually from Lisa Lang. Isn't that cute? And you put the luminary in the bag, so that is adorable. I should have had that going for the video. All right, and then one of my up line that I was just mentioning, Janice Waitman. Let me show you all the goodies she got me. She's so sweet and generous. She gives me many gifts, and just really a kind lady. So I got this little coaster, and has a little saying about friends on there. She also got me some gold ribbon in our mini catalog and the washi tape for Halloween. Oh, I just love that. And then she got me a box full of more goodies. These are another item that are free for celebration. You get a box of 10 for free if you spend $50. And it's nice because it has a window sheet on the front. All right, and then she got me iridescent rhinestones, which will go with anything. And then there's quite a few cards in here that I'm not sure if she made them or someone else. Yep, she did. The Yeti here, isn't that cute? And then our cute little hippo that's been popular for celebration. Another free stamp with dies. And cute. That's a cute saying. That's another celebration stamp set. And a little card. A thank you card. And then this cute little stamp set that has the bathing suits on it. Very cute. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Janice, if you're watching. Very sweet of you. Her gift I even had to save the bow. She even wraps things cute. Isn't that nice? So cute. All right, then I'm sorry that I don't have the whole thing of this, but this was from my friend, Chris Brower. She was one of my roommates, and Jean was the other one. And we, sometimes when you room with someone, you trade gifts. And unfortunately, the little gift is gone. As soon as I opened it, I ate it. It was a really cute, it was a cookie in the shape of Minnesota with a little heart about where her city is. So it was really, really good. But isn't that the cute packaging? I saved the little bag topper. And let's see what else. Another thing that I received, oh, I forgot to show this when I showed the bag. We also get a little pin to represent our Backstage for New Orleans. Another little roomy gift I got from Chris was the, well, this is about empty too, but what she did was, this is like a little tackle box or a, you know, like a craft box or whatever, and then you open it. And by the way, the name of our event is called Backstage, and she covered up the Backstage. She downloaded the label or the logo, and she put Snack Stage, so that was very clever. And then if you look on YouTube, you can see these. In fact, Jean Piersante, my downline, has done videos on this, and these are actually called Snackle Box instead of Tackle Box. Isn't that adorable? So Chris even went so far as to, these used to be all filled, but you can see I munched on them, but she went everywhere and found purple, green, and gold candy and treats to put in here. So I just thought this was such an excellent idea for really anything that you do. I think she got these at a hardware store, but Jean told me you can get them at Dollar Tree. But oh, I just love that idea. So I wanted to share that with you. And then another little gift was, this is from Chris again. She gave me this. I'm gonna have to open this all one by one, but she is so clever. Chris and I met in junior high, actually. We used to play tennis and hang out and double date with our boyfriends, and it just took me a few years to get her to sign up to be on my team, but she's a teacher and super busy. So finally it happened, and she's done really well. All right, so let me show you the card first. The theme of this is, I have to tell you the little inside joke. Chris teases me, and she calls me her boss all the time. I am definitely not her boss, but she likes to call me that, and I always get embarrassed. I said, I am not your boss. You're your own boss. That's the beauty of this company. But she still teases me. So the card says, a day without boss lady. Excuse me. A day without boss lady is like, just kidding, I have no idea. So she went with this cute little Western theme, and it says, you make everything better. So, and she told me her starting point for this gift were these cute little socks. There's where she got her color scheme, Boss Lady. Oh my gosh. When I first pulled them out, I read it as Bossy Lady, and I said, Bossy Lady, and she said, oh no, it's Boss Lady. So anyway, oh my gosh, she's just a silly girl. Then everything else is just everything that goes with Southwest, and of course, in the color-coded, it may be missing some things, because like I said, I kind of ate a lot of this. You are the best. What is this? I don't think I opened this. I don't know what's in here. It's too cute to open, but I don't know, maybe it's mints or gum or something, but isn't that a cute gift? Oh my goodness, Chris Brower, you are too much. All right, next item. I only have one more to show you. This is one of the treats I made for some of my stamping friends. When I went to CVS drugstore, I saw this, and let me grab what reminded me of it. Okay, so we saw these matte decorative dots. These are the in colors, and when I saw this, I mean, look at this. They are identical. So I just had to come up with something for this. So these, I kind of copied the logo, and instead of what they wrote about the in color dots, I wrote Stampin' Up! 2022 Backstage edible matte decorative dots. So these are just a whole bunch of candies on here. So I just thought that was a fun treat to give to everybody. Oh, I just love it. All right, I think that is all I had to share with you, but I do want to tell you about this special that's going to be running out tomorrow. And if you still have the celebration catalog, flip to the back page and let me share with you what is going on here. There is this adorable little planner that is worth at least $45, and it's just jam-packed with a cute way to organize all your life in a year. It has a calendar, it has a stamp set that goes with it. You can see a little bit here, and it's just really a cute way to plan your year. It just makes it more fun to fill things in because it's so adorable. And then you also get 3 blank notebooks to take notes in. And if you sign up to be a demonstrator, don't let the word demonstrator kind of freak you out. Demonstrator just means basically that you are buying all your products at a discount. You do not have to do YouTubes. You don't have to do Facebook Lives. You don't have to have classes. All it really means is that you're getting a discount on all of your products. If something's on sale, you get the sale price in addition to your discount. So it is just a win-win situation here. So the deal is, for only $99, you can choose $125 from any active catalog, and you get free shipping on this, and then they will throw this planner in for free. So it really is a good deal. The deadline is tomorrow, August 31st, and I will put the link in case you're interested in joining my team. I would love to have you join us. We do many things on my team, and we have a private Facebook page. We interact with each other. We have training if you'd like it. If you want to be a silent lurker, that's fine. I welcome hobbyists who don't even want to do the business, but just give it a try. If it doesn't work for you, there's nothing really lost other than, you gave it a try and you got a lot of products for a big discount. So it's just worth a try. You can just let your demonstratorship go if you're not interested after your time lapses. All right, so this is just a picture of the planner. And then also, I wanted to share with you the pumpkin, My Paper Pumpkin. This is good until September 10th if you want in on the treat boxes for October. It looks like a really cute set. It's ghosts, and you can't really see anything more. They didn't really have much more of a preview, but you do get, 18 treat boxes, 6 each of 3 designs with a Halloween theme. So that is one if you make Halloween treats that you might be interested in getting. Then the last thing is I just wanted to point out the extra celebration products that are in the catalog, or not in the catalog. We have the catalog with a couple sold out things, but this one is things from the annual catalog that are added to the lineup of what you can get for free. So all these products, you can choose these, and they're pretty easy to pick out when you go on the website. They'll give you a whole list with pictures and descriptions of all these, and this is only through August 31st as well. All right, one more thing I want to share with you is the host code. I would love it if you would like to place an order with me. And remember, if your order is over $35, you get in on my Creative You classes. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, Creative You is something that I do every month for my local people. I live in Cave Creek, Arizona, which is by Phoenix and Scottsdale, and I welcome anyone if you're interested in attending my classes. I run 4 classes all the same, and I give you one-on-one training and help you make things. A lot of people that come have been doing this for a while, so they help me too if there's newbies, but I would love to have you join us. However, I understand that not everyone lives by me and you can't attend in person. So I also offer the same class for those of you who order online. And if your order is over $35, you will receive the same 3 projects that we make in class for free. I will send them in the mail to you, and you just have to understand that I cannot stamp for you. That's a Stampin' Up! Policy. But most things are interchangeable and you can just use from your own stash, or perhaps you might want to order them on a future order and then you can use the exact same things that I did. You'll also get a PDF flyer that will help you along with the instructions. So that's something to take into consideration. But remember, if you order before August 31st, you will get in on the celebration. If you bump your order up to $50, then you'll get an extra perk with that. But like I said earlier, the best deal around is just to go ahead and get that starter kit and just buy at a discount on all of your products. Well, this is the August host code, and I always put the most recent host code on my blog. So if this one ever doesn't work that I show you on my video, in case you see this well after the deadline, then I always have my current one on my blog on the right-hand side. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the little perks from this event. If you're on my team, this is something that you could strive for if you want. We have so much fun getting together for these little out-of-town get-togethers, and it's so nice to, be in person again. Thank you again. I will see you next Tuesday morning. I do these YouTube Lives every Tuesday morning, 9 o'clock Arizona time, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.